So I googled this. This is an electrical component called connector. Yes, that's very advanced. So what you use this for is basically to connect two wires. You insert one here, tighten the screw, insert the other one here, tighten the screw. So this can only connect one to one, or maybe if the wires are thinner you can maybe put two in one side, but then you lose some thickness, some power overall. So to connect more wires with this connector, you'd have to connect it to one and then run a wire on this side like that to every one, and then you can connect wires to each of these ports. But I have a way easier solution. So I took two of these metal things out with the two screws, and they are made of copper. So my solution is to solder them together, and then they'll be like this. You take one wire here, and then you can connect 1, 2, 3 other wires to it. Or maybe if you solder 3 together, then you get 2 more wires in a very little space. All you have to do in the end is to shield it, insulate it, because this is bare metal. You don't have this plastic casing anymore. So I'm trying it for the first time. I'll try to solder them together and see how it holds. I have no idea if this works well, or it will just fall apart. I don't know. So let me plug in the crappy soldering iron. I have one of these homemade ones. It basically heats up the tip. Oh yes, I'll have to change it soon. It's really thin, but it's good for now. Hey, focus. Focus, no focus. So yeah. So we need some solder. And my plan is, if I get this black goo off here, I don't know how it got there. It's some plastic rubbery sheet. Okay. So my plan is to apply it to one, apply it to the other one, and then put the two on top of each other and heat them up. And then hopefully, if both of them are heated up, the solder will unite, or how should I say that? It will glue them practically together. And then I'll check how strong it holds. So let's get started. Some solder. I usually put it on the tip like that. And then maybe put something under it. Like a piece of metal. Just a second. Here's a piece of metal. Like that. And let me put it here. So, and maybe hold it with this piece of wire. Or mount it on the piece of wire. Then it's held even better. Okay, I'll just mount it here. Where's the screwdriver? Tighten it, not too much, just enough, and then I can hold it in my hand. Perfect. Much better idea. So let's heat it up and let's see how it sticks. Oh boy. This is not very good. But it's sticking, it's sticking. Yes. Now that it's properly heated up, it's sticking very well. That's awesome. Okay, that's one. Oh, the wire is getting hot. Oh, that's hot. Oh! Then here's a toothpick. I'll mount the other one on a toothpick. Hopefully wood doesn't transfer the heat that fast. Okay. Like that. And it doesn't matter which side. Focus. Put some solder on it. Like that. And let's heat it up. Maybe now. So it has to heat up pretty good, then it will start to spread on the... Yeah, that's good, that's good. Okay, that's awesome. Perfect. I smell a little burnt wood, but that's fine. It's smoking. Focus, focus. So, it covered it. Now, put the two together. That will be a bit more interesting because I don't know how to do it. Oh, it's hot. Oh boy. That was no mistake. Oh my god. Okay. What's the melting point of plastic? Let's see. Maybe if I use one of these to hold them together like that. What's the melting point? Let me try it. It's crap. Okay. How shall I do this? Oh, here it is. Some pliers. Hopefully I can hold it so it doesn't take away much of the heat. So I'll hold it something like this. It's not good because it doesn't hold it straight. I need it to hold it like this. What can I use? Maybe some bigger pliers. I don't know. Maybe I'll just hold it like that in my hand. Bend it so it can... Oh, like that. Whatever. Now the only challenge is how to heat up both of them at the same time. That will be a challenge. Maybe if I put the soldering iron right in the middle. But then how will I know when it's melted? Let's try that. This is possibly a very stupid idea. So, let's see. Let's heat up first this one, it's okay. Then heat up this one. It's okay. A little bit here. Oh. Heat it up some more. Oh boy, everything is heating up. This is bad. I couldn't hold it anymore. Okay, that was the first try. With a better soldering iron it would be a lot easier, but let's see. Maybe I put this one on the bottom. This on the bottom. And I can maneuver this one better. And I come from the other side, maybe. Oh, how do I do that? No, I just put this one on the piece of metal. Right there. And I put it here, like that. And put some solder on the tip. What the hell? And then heat it up between them. And I have to watch it from the other side somehow, so I can see when it melts. Oh boy, same problem. Let's heat this up. And this. Let's heat it up. Is this heating up? Come on, twist. That's not really good. Twist into place. Ah, I almost did it. Oh boy. I really need to hold down the bottom one. Oh boy. I almost did it. I almost. Come on. I'm filming. Please work. Oh boy. This is really bad. Now I'm heating up the top and it should go together soon. What does it do? Oh boy. Let me use some more solder. It's not heating up. What? Yeah, I think the tip broke. So I think that's it for now, because I kind of failed, but I changed the tip. Really quick, I think. Just a piece of wire, copper, hopefully. You bend it like this and make the tip thin. Focus. Make it thin like that. And the screwdriver would help a lot. Where did I put it? Here is one. So I already did something like that here with the soldering iron. I soldered on some of those connectors and it's a lot better now, but yeah, I have to put in the new tip. It has to go in and tighten it down. It's in, I think, like that. Oh boy, it's hot. So tighten it like that. Now this one, did it go in? Yeah, good enough. If it doesn't move, it's good. So let's try it once again with the new tip. Let's heat everything up. Oh, let's move this one. It's burnt. Okay, so that's a problem. It reaches 300, 400 degrees. That's not really good for wood, but let's see. So heat. Oh, I could do that. Solder a thin plate on both of them, or wire. That would be much easier. But I started this project and I'm going to finish it. Let's see. The solder is melting. It's melting. Now place it carefully. Oh boy. Ah! Maybe heat it a little more. Yeah, it's okay, I think. It worked. Finally. Now if it can zoom in. Look. It's still smoking, but it's connected. Really, really good. Now let's check for resistance. Let's try a stupid thing like that. Okay. Here's a multimeter, battery low, that's no problem. So if I touch them, it's 0, and if I touch both sides, wait, let's put it on paper here. Yep, 0. I don't know if it's the scientific method, but it's done. Haha, in 20 minutes I made one solder. Yay!